Good morning. Once again, we are together with our SST class. Today, I am starting your first lesson of annual syllabus of history. That is lesson 6. Early states, Janapads and Mahajanapads. Now, Janapad, Mahajanapad. First, you need to know what is a Janapad. Janapad matlab Gyan ka pad, something which gives us knowledge, and something which gives us more than a knowledge. Now, we learned about Janas in last chapter. These were the largest political units in Vedic society. Vedic society the last chapter আমরা পড়েছি. What are Janas? Handed by a king or Rajan. Gradually, the territories of these Janas grew and these bigger units came to be known as Janapads, literally meaning foothold of the tribe. These were the first states of the Indian subcontinent. আচ্ছা, ইন্ডিয়ার সাবকন্টিনেন্টের প্রথম যে স্টেটসগুলো ছিল তারা হচ্ছে এই স্টেটসগুলোকে বলা হয় জানাস। ইন্ডিয়ান সাবকন্টিনেন্টের প্রথম স্টেটস দে আর কল্ড জানাস। ওকে, জানাস। The larger and more powerful than of these Janapads came to be known as Mahajanapads. In the beginning only I told you, Janapads এর থেকে বড় হচ্ছে Mahajanapads. Janapads, small places or small um, areas which is controlled by Rajas or Rajan. এদের হেড হতো রাজা কিংবা রাজান। ঠিক আছে, এবার জনপদের থেকেও বড় হচ্ছে মহাজনপদ। আচ্ছা, 6th সেঞ্চুরি বিসি ততদিনে 16টা জনপদ তৈরি হয়ে গেছে ইন্ডিয়ায়, which clearly marked boundaries, এবং প্রত্যেকটা জনপদের they had deliberately different boundaries to indicate which is area of whose, কোন এরিয়াটা কোন জনপদের আন্ডারে পড়ছে সেটা বোঝানোর জন্য একটা পরিষ্কার বাউন্ডারি করে দ্যাট ওয়াজ মার্কড। ওকে, বাই 6th সেঞ্চুরি। আচ্ছা দেখো, there is a map. This map pointing you will do. You will take one physical map of India, and you will do this map pointing. Now, what is this map pointing all about? This map shows all the Mahajanapads of ancient India. Ancient India কটা মহাজনপদ ছিল এবং কোথায় ছিল সেটা পুরোটা এই ম্যাপের মধ্যে দেখিয়েছে। You will do this map and you will show it to me. Okay, so this is your homework. You see how many Mahajanapads were there? Kamboja, Gandhara, Takshashila, Rajouri, Kuru, Panchala, then Malla, Koshala, Kashi, Magadha, Anga, Avanti, Chedi, Vatsa, Matsya, then Asmaka, then Vaj, then Vrij. Okay, so these are the Mahajanapads. You will mark these Mahajanapads in your physical map of India. Political নয় কিন্তু, পলিটিক্যাল এই ডিভিশনসগুলো করতে পারবে না। সো ইউ উইল বি নিডিং ওয়ান ফিজিক্যাল ম্যাপ যার মধ্যে ওই স্টেটসের ডিভিশনসগুলো করা নেই। হিয়ার your river's name is also given, Mahanadi, Narmada, Tapti. These also you have to mark. Okay, so তাহলে how many Mahajanapads are there? You will mark that in the physical map of India. Surely you will have to do it. Acha, among these Mahajanapads, some famous Mahajanapads were there that were Magadha, Koshala, Vatsa, Avanti. Underline this. This is page number 43, second paragraph, last line. Second last line. The most important ones were Magadha, Koshala, Vatsa, Avanti. You can see this. I'll show you. You see. From here to here. You will mark. Underline this part. This is very important. Now, we get to know about Mahajanapads from Vedic literature and Buddhist text. মহাজনপদ সম্পর্কে আমরা কোথা থেকে জানতে পারি? মহাজনপদ সম্পর্কে আমরা জানতে পারি ভেডিক লিটারেচার অ্যান্ড বুদ্ধিস্ট টেক্সট থেকে, which includes জাতাকা টেলস. You all know বুদ্ধিস্টদের ফেমাস বই হচ্ছে জাতাকা টেলস. Some archaeological evidences have also been unearthed. Unearthed means when you pull something out of the earth. अर्थ के अंदर से कुछ निकालना, किचु अर्थेर भेतर थेके जखन बार करछो, that is unearthed from places like Hastinapur, Atrajikhera, which is now in Uttar Pradesh, and Patna, now in Bihar. So, এই সমস্ত প্লেস থেকে something had been brought out from the earth, and therefrom these evidences or proofs, evidence মানে proof, praman, we get it. These include pottery. Now, what are excavated? क्या मिला मिट्टी के अंदर से? Pottery means बड़े बड़े pots, painted mostly in grey and red. ग्रे और रेड कलर से पेंट किया गया पॉट्स मिला. ऑल्सो आयरन वेपन, लोहे के औजार मिले. एंड एग्रीकल्चरल टूल्स, और एग्रीकल्चर करने के लिए आई मीन क्रॉप्स या फार्मर्स के जो टूल्स थे वो टूल्स मिले. अंडरस्टैंड यू ऑल? सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट पेज. Read it very nicely, minutely, and do this map pointing positively in your physical map of India. I'm telling you, physical map of India. Don't do it in political map. You will not be able to do. Okay. So, this growth of small tribal Janapad into powerful Mahajanapad took place in latter Vedic period. तो ये जनपद से महाजनपद, this is a improvement or promotion you can say. How did it, when did it happen? This happened in latter Vedic period. Vedic periods have two divisions, দুটো division আছে, একটা early Vedic period, একটা latter Vedic period. So this transformation of Janapad to Mahajanapad took place in later Vedic period. This period also witnessed the gradual spread of Vedic people across the entire Indo-Gangetic plain. Indo-Gangetic plain मतलब गंगार तीरे. There, this Vedic people, they spread out. They were got to be known of residing over here only. Understand you all? In my next class, I'll start with life in the Mahajanapads. There we will discuss about social life, economic life, political life. These are the three forms of lives present in Mahajanapads. And then there ends our chapter. So I believe in our next session we will be able to finish up this chapter. Then we will proceed to the question answers and important points in this lesson. Okay. So read this part nicely and do that map pointing. Okay. Thank you.